Hi friends. We have brought is a one structure and two, three meanings. One structure, one, two, three. No uncountable this. Many sentences. I will tell you in these videos. Many examples, many sentences, many structures. Superb, incredible videos today. I'm as I know you had ideas, you had everything about this, but you don't know how to use um yeah. Come to the point. Talk about however. First of all, let me know about his pronunciation, sound, his how the sound. However, yeah. However, yeah. However, which one is good? However, however, and however. My pronunciation is good. However, 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 this is good, and pronunciation improvement is superb. You want to clarify your interview. You want to clarify your every structure examinations. You have to improvement your English structure. Without structure, please, you can't speak English fluent as a. It's my promise. Please practice. I've told you every time, every videos I tell you. Please keep practicing. And as a first of all, however, however, however. About this in English, I mentioned this English also because however, Hindi, however this Hindi, you can check it on display, and it's a watching time. I just superb is this kind of is I'm not speaking Hindi. It doesn't matter. You can see, you can watch also, understand. Please keep this in mind as a talk is and come to the point is one thing is for example, um, one examples, I'm famished. However, I'm studying. I was famished. However, I was gonna. She was poor. However, she was happy. They are happy. However, they are not rich. Because of they are happy, but it's they are happy. However, they are not rich. We can see this opposite. They are poor. However, they are happy. She didn't invite me. However, I will go to party. She is she's unconscious. However, she will fine at all. She was ill. However, she had to go to office. Okay, and next structure, many sentences, many structures you can learn. One directions, pronunciation, improvement, sessions. Tag is the one step, two step is the. Please don't focus on your on structure. Focus on pronunciation also, and if your pronunciation is good, you can take a advice. You can give the advice. Please, if I'm to speak English with sound, accent sound, it's superb. I like it is there. Then second, however, for example, however, she's young. However, her boyfriend is old. She's young. However, her husband is old. She was happy. However, she has no any money. And also example, we can see a type of is the like a, but is the not understand which type of a sentence on the exact time, how to make sentence, how to make a difficult sentences. But you can see like a however, you complete your work, it's fine. However, you will go to Agra, it's fine. However, you will lend me money, it's fine. Because you can use many type of use as sentences, but examples you can, I have told you many examples. However, however, siege your wife. However, siege your sister. However, he's your brother. However, siege gonna siege your well wisher. lots of sentence, really superb, incredible. And next structure about however, this is a, you can see in Hindi. And for example, however, you want to purchase books, you will have to get knowledge from them. However, you will want to purchase bike, you will have to learn how to ride bike. However, you will go to Agra, but you will have to take a and also ideas. Then you can see Taj Mahal. However, you want to purchase books, please, but you have to get knowledge. I've told you, I've told you this type of. However, I want to speak English. I want to learn to speak English. I will have to practice. However, I have money. I will have to control my extra budget. However, I don't have money, but I will spend according to money. And there's so many structures, so many type of structure. We can say because this type of is a however do you want to money, I don't have. However, they want to money, I don't have that time. However, you will demand the money, I will never demand you, I will never provide this money. However, you want to money for purchase mobile, I don't have. We can use a lot of vocabularies, sentences with structures and examples. Superb ideas. Superb is the type of is the how to learn. Only follow this channel, you can learn everything. Really, superb is the. Now come to the point is the we should practice day by day, every day. Without practice, we can't achieve everything. You want to take ideas how to learn, how to take is the new sections, how to teach to anyone. First of all, take idea, then you can give it, take it, take it, give it. Take ideas, then give ideas. Tit for tat is in life is a tit for tat. You want to watch this video? Don't want to? It's your depend. It's on up to you. Don't worry. You want to watch? You want to like this video? Doesn't matter. But please watch. Please take ideas from this video. My content is not well, but still, however, I'm trying. My video is not good. Still, I may stay here. We can say my mobile content is not good, my mobile is not good. However, I want to try to good content. My mobile is old, however, I want to purchase new mobile. It's not depend on however, depend on situations. Which type of situation do you want? Like as for example, you have a super mobile you want to use, but you don't know how to use super mobile. So many companies, so many mobile, so many SIM, so many network to purchase, but you don't have it in your skills, your ideas. Never ever wrap it up with them. You never succeed. I don't have mobile. I have only 4-year-old mobile. However, I am making videos. Superb is there for me. Please compare to me. Compare to me. I'm here. I don't have money. But still I don't have money. However, I'm hardworking device. I talk is the communicating about is the we have to identify your reflections. Perfect is there. Perfect is the don't look the features. Don't look the features. Look durable life, long lasting life. You know every mile is not his long lasting, but it's good for me. Um, many sentences I have told you in these videos. Please, practice, practice, practice. Every day, every single day, every time, practice. If you don't practice, somebody say this stuff, you can't improvement your practice. You can't improvement your English. Practice English. Because you can't improvement. You can't improvement your English until you practice day by day. You can't improvement your skills until you work on your skills. Work on your skills, work on your target, work on your every structures. Every type of short, big short type was I will clarify every in a fear, in a type. I will get job fight definitely. Superb is I've told you the many structure in this videos, and three structure. However, 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 with Hindi structure, Hindi type of, please practice. Please let me know how is my videos. Then I will bring a new video tomorrow. Bye. Superb. Thank you.